Hello kids! Kids, in today's class we are going to do something special. So everyone, welcome to our English class. In today's class, children, we will learn about prepositions. Yes, we will learn about prepositions. But what does it mean? It means preposition are the words which tell us about the position of noun कि वो कहाँ पर लगेंगे, वो words को हम कहाँ लगाएं. It is very important in English literature, in English language to know about the prepositions. Today we will discuss about prepositions like on, in and under. On, in, under. Let's do it again. On, in, under. One more time. On. Repeat after me, children. On, in, under. On means to keep anything or any object over the other. Over the other. किसी के ऊपर चीज रखना, ऊपर रखना. In का मतलब होता है inside. Inside. Like my 5 fingers are inside this. Another hands fist. Okay? In fist. And under means below. किसी के नीचे. किसी के नीचे. Yes. So let's begin our class for today, and as we move further, I'm going to explain you with the help of many examples. As I told you, on, in and under are used to tell the position of an object or a noun. Observe and read. As you can see in the first picture, there is a vase and a table. But where is the vase? हम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि वो गमला, वो पॉट कहाँ पर है, वास कहाँ पर है, फ्लावर पॉट कहाँ पर है? वह टेबल के ऊपर है. कहाँ है? टेबल के ऊपर. For ऊपर, for above, we use on. As we say, the vase is on the table. Let's do one more time. The vase, please repeat after me. The vase is on. On the table. Where is the vase? Please ask the question. When you want to know the position of a noun or an object, ask the question. Where is the vase? Vase is on the table. Yes. So here the preposition word is on. It is on. On says on. Let's do any other example. Let's see this baby. This baby is, where is it? On the bed. Baby कहाँ पर है? Bed के ऊपर है. Bed के ऊपर. For the word ऊपर हम use करेंगे on. Let's phrase a sentence. The baby is on the bed. Let's read again. The baby is on the bed. Where is the baby? Please ask the question. The baby is on the bed. The baby is on the bed. Yes, the child is on the bed. Now, let me explain you with the help of another example. Like, as in my hand, you can see this is a cushion. This is a cushion. And I have one feather pen. I have one peacock feather pen. Now, let's phrase a sentence. As I place this pen on, I place the pen over the cushion. Now, Now children, can you please tell me where is the pen? Which preposition you will use? You will use the word on. Why? Because this pen is on the cushion. This pen is on the cushion. So here we use the first preposition on. We use the first preposition on. Okay children, let's learn about another preposition. The use of in. In का मतलब होता है inside. Inside anything. Like the children are in the classroom. बच्चे कहाँ हैं? Classroom के अंदर. The bucket and the mug is dash the washroom. Where is it? It's inside the washroom. Okay? Washroom के अंदर है. And so on. Many sentences you can make like this. Let's learn its usage. For the preposition in, let's look at this picture. As you can see, a rat and a box. Now tell me, where is a rat? Where is the rat? Rat is inside the box. So what are we going to say? Or what preposition we will use? In. The rat is in the box. Where is the rat? In the box. In the box. The squeaky rat is in the box. It is in the box. The rat is in the box. So here we have used the preposition in. We have used the preposition in. Okay children, now let's look at the another example. Let's see this cute white furry rabbit. And do you know where does the rabbit lives? Rabbit lives in a burrow. In the burrow. Right? So let's phrase a sentence. The rabbit is in the burrow. The rabbit is in the burrow. Okay? So here the question comes, where is the rabbit? Rabbit is in burrow. Burrow के अंदर है ना? It digs a path. It digs the soil and makes its house in the form of a burrow. मिट्टी के अंदर गड्ढा गोदता है और उसके अंदर रहता है. That is why its house is called burrow. I hope you have understood the use of in now. Let's look at the under preposition. Under means below. किसी भी चीज के नीचे. Like my hand is under the another hand. Or if I say this pencil is under the hand. कहाँ पर है वो? Under the arm. हाँ, आर्म के नीचे, बाजू के नीचे है. So this is what under means. किसी भी चीज के नीचे होना. As you can see in this picture, the cow is there. And where is the cow? The cow is standing shed के नीचे, है ना? तो नीचे के लिए हम क्या word use करेंगे? We will use under. Here we come to know the position of cow. The cow is standing under the shed. So the preposition under. Which preposition is used here? Under. U-N-D-E-R says under. Again children, U-N-D-E-R, under, which means niche. The cow is under the shed. Where is the cow? We can always ask the question, where? So this will help us in fixing the preposition. In आएगा, on आएगा या फिर under आएगा. Alright children? So let's look at the another example now. Now you can see this girl and she's holding umbrella. Now where is this girl standing? She's standing under the umbrella. Under the umbrella. Let's read the sentence. The girl is standing under, U-N-D-E-R, under the umbrella. Where is the girl standing? under the umbrella. I hope now you have clearly understood the concept of preposition. Now it's your time to do the exercises based on the preposition. Until then, I will see you again. Bye bye.